Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to correct passive voice misuse in Grammarly. So it generally means how you can convert into passive voice without any error. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you'll be in here. This is the site of Grammarly, and then what you need to do is you can go to this new option, or you can use any of your old documents as well. So let me just go with the new one like this, and you'll be in this particular platform. Over here, what you can do is you can either type or paste your text, or even you can upload a document. So let me just paste one like this. So has the left apartment. So now what you can do is you can just copy this particular text and just use this icon which says rewrite with Grammarly. Sorry, improve it like this. And then over here you'll see this platform. So just use change into passive voice like this and press enter. It's working on it, guys. It might take some time. Just have some patience. Now just insert it, and you can see this has the apartment have been left by them. So that's how you use it, guys. That's pretty much easy. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.